it to me. Ignore that. Baby, that'll be fun. Excuse me. ASMR karaoke. I don't know what song to do next. I'm looking. It's like one of the older ones from like 6 fucking... Boombaya. I know Boombaya. Does that make sense? What if I did another LMFAO song? Oh. Maybe I like Casanova. Check 1, 2. See, that's what happens when I try to cover it. It doesn't even fucking work. Whoops. I don't know. I can't pinpoint why. Put a scratch post out. You built my chair and they want me to be in back pain forever. Right? Okay, I see some screws. Yes. Paddles! Who knew had the bimbo burping bistro? Wow. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
Potential.
Yes.
What? Press release or information brief. My God, Brittany, Jesus Christ.
Stop. Spooky! Don't burp like that. Attacking me. Did you see that? Onion literally hates me.